or move on to the next segment and last segment is which is films, arts and culture. We have from Bollywood arts and culture Mrs. Salma Agha Khan Saiba and Zara Khan, and my dear friend, my bestie from childhood, 8th or 7th class, Rana Siddiqui. Rana, would you like to take it from here? And you have half hour, both for
yes, Razia, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Hello, Adab. So quickly, very quickly, Salma Appa, I call her Salma Appa because I respect her as my elder sister. So Salma Appa, very quickly, can you just sum up your journey of Bollywood, the Hindi film industry and singing in just say a few lines, because you do not have time. We have all the time for you.
Yes, surely. देखिए जर्नी तो बहुत लंबी है, 15 मिनट की तो नहीं है मगर फिर लगता ऐसे ही है कि जैसे 15 मिनट गुजरे हैं, कल ही शुरू हुआ था और ये वक्त आ गया है. Time nowadays is moving very fast, although people say कि आजकल वक्त बहुत slow move कर रहा है, but it's been a wonderful journey. And एक अच्छी जर्नी में सिर्फ अपना हाथ नहीं होता, आप जैसे सब लोगों का हाथ होता है, मोहब्बतें होती हैं जो इसको आगे लेके जाती हैं, रोज के राब्ते अपने दोस्तों से, प्यारों से, और बेनतहा मोहब्बत जो हमें हिंदुस्तान से मिली, सारी दुनिया से मिली, उसका इस जर्नी में एक बहुत बड़ा ताल्लुक है.
जी, because you do not have time, Salma Appa, so I'll move to Zara, and I love Zara's voice. I will like you are a seductress, man. So, so Zara, very quickly, your journey in the Hindi film industry, and why did you move to singing?
Well, my journey in the film industry or Bollywood, you can say, is only and only because of the love I have for art and my craft as an actor, as a singer. I haven't moved to singing. It's just that I am also singing, and a lot of it has to do with my mother, because she's passed it on to me, which I'm very, very grateful for. And it's been doing very well. I have gotten a very, very warm welcome into the music industry, and mashallah, the songs that I've sung so far, they are doing very well. The audiences are loving it. So I'm very happy that, I got this part of the talent as well passed on to me by her. And the credit for it goes to her, all my learning, all my success, and so far what I've achieved, and also what more I want to achieve, it completely goes, all the credit goes to her for it.
नहीं, मगर देखिए जब तक अपने में कुछ खूबी, कुछ ऐसी चीजें ना हो, just being a star child is not enough. It's not. You have to have the talent to stand on your own feet. Alhamdulillah, God has given her a beautiful voice, and the response from everybody has been wonderful. And now today she has millions and millions of fans, like her last film song, which is Bell Bottom, and the one before that, which was with Amir Khan. I think that's done 100 million. Yeah,
both of them put together.
Yes.
One has crossed 55 million, the other is at 60 plus million.
So that's a big thing for a new singer.
And I haven't seen that kind of money, you see. So let's be less diplomatic now. Do you think Salma Appa and Zara, both all said and done, have you actually faced nepotism in the film industry? Let's be brash, let's be honest, let's be less diplomatic. I've known industry for the last 25 years, and I know how there are so many lobbies. Beautiful girls like Zara, talented beautiful girls and ladies like you, Salma Appa, beauty भी है, खूबसूरती भी है, आवाज भी है, दमखम भी है, सब कुछ है. उसके बावजूद ऐसा क्यों है कि जो ऊपरी सतह है, जो अपर लेवल है, वहां पर सलमा अप्पा, ज़ारा क्यों नहीं दिखाई दे रहे? Do you actually believe there is nepotism? There is some kind of a thing that actually pushes you back. Be brash, be honest.
I'll be very honest. When you use the word nepotism, a lot of people, take it also in a very negative way. I don't, honestly, because the reason that I am taken so seriously in the singing field is because she has proved something, in that field. And obviously, at the end of the day, I have to deliver, but I'm able to do that again because of her. Maybe, I need to work harder. I feel that. Obviously, in the industry, everybody will want to push, their dear ones. And I think it's not just in the industry, it's everywhere. आप अगर एक मिठाई की दुकान है, तो उनके जो जितनी भी जनरेशंस होंगी, वो हलवाई होंगे या मिठाई बना रहे होंगे या जो भी वो लोग करते हैं वो करते रहते हैं, राइट? तो वो जनरेशन से करते आएंगे, उनके बच्चे भी करेंगे, आगे वो लोग भी करेंगे, और उसमें भी ऑब्वियसली कंपटीशन होगा, ये सब होगा. I take it in a very healthy way. I feel like if I am not able to achieve something, it is probably, because of me. I need to work harder. I need to do better. And,
and you have to lobby more.
Maybe, yes. And it's also not about whose daughter I am, or the fact that, oh, because I'm somebody's daughter, I should get a better treatment, or the fact that, oh, I'm somebody's daughter, why am I not getting a better treatment? At the end of the day, it's all about how hard you're working. Just because I'm beautiful or just because I can sing doesn't mean that I should get the best of everything. There can be 4 people who sing the best or who act the best, but जो जिसकी मेहनत सबसे ज़्यादा होगी वो ही आगे बढ़ेगा.
Zara, don't be cruel on yourself. I've seen you in a film which was nominated for the Oscars. Don't be cruel to yourself.
But appreciate for her articulatedness. She's so articulated, sounding so correctly.
Yeah.
No, but I genuinely, I feel that. And मैं आपको एक और चीज बताती हूँ. Like, okay, for all the past years that have come up, acting was going a little slow. But I'll tell you one thing. Since my singing started going really, really well, and I've been doing a lot of songs, automatically everybody's attitude towards me has changed. Why? Because they see that, okay, this girl is just not a pretty face. She's talented. She's doing something. So I'm being taken more seriously, and I'm taking that very positively. It's making me realize that ठीक है, जो चीजों पे मैं नहीं कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रही थी उन पे मुझे करना चाहिए. जो मम्मी चीजें बोलती हैं मैं नहीं करती थी, वो मुझे करनी चाहिए.
Okay, get it. Okay, I accept it. Salma Appa, because you did Nikah, you did so many films, and we remember all the beautiful songs that you did in your voice. आपके वॉइस में पद्मिनी कोल्हापुरी ने भी गाना गाया. I remember कहना ना तुम ये किसी से, what was it? What beautiful that song was. But Salma Appa, tell me. Again, I'm coming back to this question. I'm not pushing you to speak on this. The fact is, you were beautiful. You had all the talent that the film industry needed. But tell me, do you think because of your Pakistani connection, the films were not given to you, or you actually took a backseat and took to social work? Is there any connection? We are just trying to find out, because see, Bollywood is $4.5 billion. It contributes to the GDP of India. तो 2-4 families ही क्यों आती हैं? नेपोटिज्म I can understand, अगर अक्षय कुमार का बेटा है वो उनको सपोर्ट करेगा, बाकी लोग, लेकिन आप तो अकेली थी, आपके सर पे तो कोई नहीं था. तो अभी भी आफ्टर निकाह we actually wanted you to we wanted to see you in other films, so they were very far and few. So please come on it. If Bollywood was good to you, fine enough. If it wasn't good to you, please come up. वो रोज सब OTT पे आने वाले हैं. You don't need to worry about it.
No, I would say that my Bollywood family is best in the world, and there is no color, creed, or religion in it. It does not exist, not in my family of Bollywood. I have never experienced anything like this in my life. Yes, one thing I will admit is that I'm somebody who does things with their own mood. I went off to London. I started studying something else. My mother was not well. I was out of the country for some time. I came back, and every time I came back, I got a film. I did a film called Salma, which was with Raman and Sagar. It was the title role. So and then I did Kasam Paida Karne Wale Ki and Meet Mere Man Ke, and I cannot Unche Log. I'm not very good at remembering names. I would never blame my industry. In fact, when my daughter joined films, the same producers which were there at that time, they came to me and said, we want to work with your daughter. So I really can't blame my industry for that. No, we are all one family and we lived like one. It's on political levels that okay, so and so comes from there, so and so comes from there, but not in the industry. One thing is there कि आज हिंदुस्तान जो आर्टिस्ट की इज्जत करता है वो सारी दुनिया में कहीं नहीं है. आतिफ राहत आज बैन हो गए, मगर उनके प्यार करने वाले बैन खत्म नहीं हुए. They still love them. They still, ये चीजें हैं. आप जानती हैं, आप माशाल्लाह you're such a highly intelligent lady और आपका knowledge जो है वो इतना vast है in everything. You understand कि ये चीजें कौन करता है, किस वजह से होती हैं. You understand perfectly well.
Also, I feel, you know, जो आप कह रही है ना, has a lot to do with competition. And it also depends on you as a person, how competitive you are. Do you really want to get in there and you're ready to fight everybody? Today, all the A-listers, you know, all the A-list actresses, whether it's an Alia, whether it's you know, Janvi, Sara, anybody, any one of them, they're all constantly competing, but it's all healthy competition because they love doing what they do. So they're ready to fight each other for it, but obviously in good spirit. तो वो आपके अंदर वो हिम्मत है करने की कि नहीं, that is the actual question. She's always been somebody very happy, very laid back. In fact, you know, people tell their children कि भाई तुम ये करो, तुम वो करो. She's always been like, do what you want, you know. So I keep telling her,
I'm not the rat race type. ये कर रहा है, इससे ऊपर आके दिखा. No, what God has for me and in my fate will come to me. जैसे कि मेरी बेटी का बहुत एक favorite saying है, जो मुश्किल कुशा अली ने कहा था, what is yours will come to you.
Find you.
I believe in that.
Right. अभी मुझसे किसी ने कहा कि प्लीज जब सलमा आपा और ज़ारा जी से बात की जाए तो आप कास्टिंग काउच के बारे में पूछिएगा जरूर कि do you think it's an evil in Bollywood, does it exist or should it be removed? Because there are so many heroines now, they are saying they are dead against it. Next year there will be no casting couch. How do you react to this? Hindi, Urdu,
you know, I, as a woman, I would really like to say something that in today's day, the men in the industry, you know, they are not gonna come and do anything to you unless or until you as a woman are not available enough, available in, you know, whatever manner that you seem to be fit in, because it's an industry where we have everything, we're overexposed to everything, you know. So this whole idea that, oh, you're not going to get work because you are not sleeping with somebody, that is completely wrong. Nobody's going to invest 100 crores on you just to, you know, have a casting couch session with you. But unfortunately, you know, sometimes there are women who probably don't feel confident enough about themselves, or the fact that they don't believe strongly enough in their talent, and they give in to these things. That is why movements like Me Too, you know, had come up, and it was beautifully carried out in America. But unfortunately, in our country, I personally feel that the actual meaning of Me Too was not used properly. In fact, it was made a very big joke of by women. You know, by women. Yes, which was very sad because it was a beautiful movement. And I understand there are women who come from, you know, backgrounds where they are not strong enough and they probably, you know, give in. And that is what Me Too is, you know. So going through that, but then again, as I said, it is completely dependent on a woman, how she carries out herself. If all the women in the industry are strong and keep to their limitations, there is nobody who's going to come and attack you, because that's
Right.
not what the men in the industry do. No matter
Right.
how sleazy one might say, "Kare, this one is like that, that one is like this," but everybody's reputation is very, precious to them. So aisa nahi hai, it's a
Specifically
two-way
of
thing.
late.
Yeah.
Last, because you guys have to go, I
Yes.
invite questions, but at the same time, yes, you're right. A lot of the Me Too stuff was quite fake. It was a joke. You're right. Before we let you go, we don't want to let you go. But before you go, can I request both of you to just sing a couple of lines from both of your songs? Salma, aap kisi film se Zara.
Of course, should we sing a song together?
Yes.
Yes,
We'll
please.
sing together to save time.
Absolutely. Which one should
And
we
Mr.
sing?
Arshim, there are friends who want to ask questions also. Mr. Arshim Malik, you said that you wanted to ask questions. There are others. Razia ji, if you can take up quick questions because they have to rush. And
Yes, and then-
But I think the questions she would have to answer, because
Okay.
she's going on a different time and I have to leave now.
Oh, right.
Okay.
So one song together. One
Yes,
song together,
yes, of
then we
course.
let you go.
Of course,
Okay,
of course.
okay.
Should we sing Fiza Bhi Hai Jawan?
Yes.
You start.
Let's start.
Okay. फज़ा भी है जवां जवां, हवा भी है रवां रवां, सुना है ये समा, सुनी सुनी सी रास्ता, फज़ा भी है जवां जवां, बुझी
वाकई फजा जमा हो गई।
मगर बुझी नहीं, न जाने कैसी प्यास है, करार आज भी न दूर है न पास है, ये खेल धूप छाँव का, ये कुर्बतें ये दूरियां सुना रहा है ये समा, सुनी सुनी सी दास्तां, फज़ा भी है जवां जवां।
हाय फजा वाकई जमा हो गई और आपने इसको थोड़ा सा
Very
चेंज
nice,
किया है
very,
और
very nice.
बहुत खूब।
So quick question, Zara. So Zara,
Yes.
would you like to tell me, आपने इतना humbly कह दिया कि casting couch is Me Too started from there, or so many things happened in our past, but in 21st century this kind of thing really need in the film industry?
See, it's not the question of the film industry. I would
It doesn't
term
happen
it,
on
term it-
another,
I would
media,
I would
no?
term it as sexual predators, you can say. They're
Yeah.
everywhere, They
but
probably, there's one in my
Yeah.
neighbor's
Yeah.
house. Maybe there's one in the bank.
and both sides,
Maybe, yeah, there can be in the film industry as well. But you will find them everywhere. The question is, in the film industry, when you come across somebody like this, they're not going to attack you or they're not going to jump on you. They're going to
there is
make
a choice,
these
there are-
indecent offers.
Yeah. Yeah.
They might make these indecent offers, which again,
Yeah.
I'm not saying is correct. It's horrible because it is a form of harassment for a woman, which is not right. It traumatizes you mentally. but at least people are not jumping on you, you know. And in that scenario, instead of going with that kind of a proposal, a woman needs to stand up. Women don't do that. I do not blame the men in the industry, not at all, because that kind of as I said, those kind of sexual predators are everywhere. It is the woman who has been given a choice. Yes. If we talk about the industry, you're given a choice, that, I'm inviting you, you want to come, or you want to leave the job. You can leave the job, because it's your job is not dependent on one film or one ad or one project that you're getting on the basis of somebody, offering you to sleep with them. It is based on your talent. And fine, one person might reject you, another person might reject you, but what you have to understand is, out of 10 women, if 8 are ready to give in and the other 2 are standing for their right, those other 2 will probably never get,
maybe,
never, probably, like, they'll have to really struggle till they get work on their own merit. So it's not the men to blame, it's the other women who are spoiling the workplace.
No, I agree. Yes. I agree with you. At this point, yes, it is the choice of women. First you victimize, and then when you get everything, then you said me to happen with me. So I not agree with that either. But
it is from both the sides anyway.
Right.
From both
but
the sides.
Anybody,
women are predators.
Right. So anybody can ask question if anybody have it, and then we are going to wrap it up. So, yeah.
Dr. Arshia Malik, you said you wanted to ask a question. Are you there, Dr. Arshia Malik?
I think she left.
Yeah. She's not there.
Can I just make a comment?
It's a gentleman.
Sure.
First of all, apologies. I'm taking this from the car.
No.
Zara, it's such a pleasure to have you and to hear you. Yeah. I do, agree with your casting couch comments, and definitely, if every woman says no to it, this won't happen. I agree. But just a comment, it's such a sad choice for a woman to do, right? Yeah. Even if you're talented, and there are women who may not be able to go back to their home. They have come from far off places. So when that choice is given, either sleep with me or you don't get the work, it's hardly a choice. I still will say that it's the men to be blamed. Can
I say something? This is the world. This is how it is. And till the time as women we do not stand up for our rights in a very either you do or die situation, it's not going to improve. I know people, who have come from parts of the country where they don't have places to go back to, they don't have money to survive. I completely understand that. But there are people who are doing really well, and then maybe, doing these things. And as women, it is our duty to make the work environment safe. How do we do that? Obviously, a man is not going to admit his, faults. That's never going to happen, because it is a male dominant world. That's what we as women are facing, whether it's in the industry, whether it's in corporate workplaces. It's always been like that. But how do we make the workplace safe for us as women? Men are not going to come and do it, because honestly speaking, they would always prefer to have the upper hand.
I would like to add something. Zara, first of all, you have a beautiful voice, and you're such a lovely looking young lady.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, you have said about like men will not refrain from doing such things. See, the first, and as one of our participants said, that women may not have choice. I've seen many women who haven't had a choice, and it is something like, I don't know much about Bollywood, because I'm completely on a different side of spectrum. So I have seen women, lots of women who don't have a choice, and that choice is also about 2 square meals. So that is there.
Yeah.
You say that if all women do that, I agree, but it's an ideal situation if all women stand up for what is right. And as you have again said that it is not an ideal world. This all is right, but the thing is, why give the men a free pass? Let's not do that. Every time a man does that, that has to be pointed out. And what Me Too
Yes.
movement
I
has
was
done,
going to
it
add
has
to
made
yes.
it has made men realize that they do not have right over any woman's body. They cannot do that. Now
Right.
they are wary.
Exactly.
They might not give a job to a woman because they think that woman comes on very strongly and is a very strong-willed person. I've seen
Yes,
that happen, that
yes.
people will not have women interns because they think they are too strong-willed or they look like someone who has a strong personality. So let's not say that men will do that. Why should men do that? They don't have any right.
Yeah.
Also,
That's
it is
true.
not just
We should
men.
not allow
It is-
men to do that. Yes, that's thing.
It is not. It is not just men.
I was going
Just
to say
women
that.
who are exploited.
Yeah.
Men are also exploited in the same situation.
Yeah.
And we have to have some kind of mechanism in place where they can go and some kind of GS cash, some kind of committee where they can go and tell.
Right.
No,
See,
also
Only
I
fear
may I
can
would
say
like
stop
something?
them.
to
Only
also
fear can stop them.
I would like to say one thing. How the Me Too movement started, I'm sure you all are aware of it. It was one woman who spoke up
Yeah.
up about something which I think
Happens
America
very
mein to, I mean, is a different thing. You know, the culture is more advanced. People are still more comfortable speaking about things. In a place like India, women will not speak about this because they will feel so ashamed about it that they'd rather die than speak about it. You know, it's
True.
that kind of a mentality.
most
So
cases.
it gets very difficult here. But again, I would really like, that if somebody goes through a situation like this, one has to speak up about it. That is the only way that, the work environment will become safer. But honestly, I don't see that happening anytime soon because I don't see women doing that. You need a lot of guts for it. But then, it's like, would you rather speak up or would you rather, give in to somebody?
Stay in a job.
It's actually that.
Yeah,
That-
there's lots of
Yeah,
stigma
that's-
attached to
Zara-
it. Victim blaming
Zara
is
and
also there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, let me add to this. I agree with Zara to an extent because I have been in the profession for past 26 years, and in a couple of places where I also felt that I was kind of, you know what I mean. I mean, like they were making advances and they still wanted me to stay. So I went to the upper bosses because I was young and I was in the middle age. It kept on happening. I spoke to the boss and they said, if you want to leave, leave. You can't do anything because the person I complained against was the boss of the boss. So he had to stay because there was a tag with him. He used to write books. He used to do this with most of the women. All those making advances, they would laugh it off and go away. So finally, I had to leave the job, but the man stays there till now. You know, I
See,
set a
we have
legal
the
notice
live
is a different thing, but
example over
nothing
here.
has happened is a different thing.
Yeah.
So we have an example. I resisted for 26 साल ऐसे ही थोड़े गुजारे हैं, बड़ी इज्जत से गुजारे हैं, लेकिन जहाँ इज्जत से नहीं गुजार पाए वहाँ छोड़ना पड़ा. बॉसेस नहीं गए, बॉसेस आज भी वहीं पर हैं. So see, we all face that. So let us make it
But
right.
see,
yeah,
Rana Appa, also, I will say one thing, you went and you spoke about something. Now in America,
Yeah, I
when the
did.
Me Too movement started and names started coming out, there were big companies like Fox Studios, who had a particular person there working, and he was accused, and obviously it turned out to be true. They had boycotted him from all the studios in Hollywood. He couldn't work anywhere. That doesn't happen here.
Yes, I agree. I
So
totally
it is a very hand in hand thing. आप कर भी रहे हैं तो उसका रिजल्ट क्या आ रहा है वो भी
Result
बहुत
क्या?
जरूरी है, वो हमारी कंट्री में हो नहीं रहा. So it's very difficult to come across any situation where actually something is happening in a concrete way. So I understand women also get scared कि हम बोलेंगे तो क्या होगा, अच्छा नहीं बोलेंगे तो क्या, अच्छा सह लो. तो ये बहुत सदियों से चलता आ रहा है कि सह लो सह लो सह लो. अब वो सहने के चक्कर में हम इस सेंचुरी में आ गए, बट फिर भी चीजें वैसी ही चल रही है, it is very very sad. And as I said, I don't see it happening anytime soon, but I really pray and hope that it does, because
What
again,
do
in
you
the
feel?
future.
Yeah, what do you feel, Kadambini or Shivaji? I'll throw this question to you. She brought up a very interesting, comment that ये सदियों से चला आ रहा है.
Right.
And how do we go about changing this whole mindset of people, and how can we bring about it?
Stand up.
Uh,
Speak up.
Shivaji.
If you, yeah, as I said in the beginning, only in my talk, I said that it is you have to have and claim means of power. Means of power means अगर जो अभी राना सिद्दीकी जी ने बताया अपने एक्सपीरियंस, इमेजिन अगर वहां पर एक महिला बॉस होती तो क्या ये हो रहा होता?
साथ
क्या
नहीं
उसमें
दिया,
फर्क पड़ता?
साथ नहीं दिया. नहीं, महिला बॉस थी, उन्होंने साथ नहीं दिया. She said no, she's not right.
Women don't support
Okay,
women all
so
the time.
she
Rana
didn't
is right.
They
Yeah,
don't-
yeah.
Yeah.
She didn't trusted you. मेरा ये कहना है कि जब हम थाने में जाते हैं किसी रिपोर्ट के लिए, या हम किसी भी जगह जाते हैं, अगर वहां पर 4 महिलाएं भी होती हैं तो उससे थोड़ा हौसला बढ़ता है. लेकिन इस सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है मीन्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन पे महिलाओं का अधिकार नहीं है. वी आर जस्ट देयर एज अ वर्क फोर्स. सो ओनरशिप जब तक नहीं आती है तब तक आपके पास डिसीजन लेने की और इन सब चीजों को फेस करने की ताकत नहीं आएगी. मीन्स ऑफ ओनरशिप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन द क्लासिकल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ मीन्स ऑफ ओनरशिप एंड पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी, दिस इज द ओनली वे. व्हेन यू हैव मोर ऑफ वुमेन बॉसेस, मोर ऑफ वुमेन colleagues, then the environment is safer. I don't know about other studios, but I am sure Kadambini has to add something over here.
शिवाजी, और आप देखें, अगर जो यहाँ पर कह रही हैं ज़ारा, वो बिल्कुल सही कह रही हैं कि काफी लंबे वक्त से ये चल रहा है. लेकिन आज हम इस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. आज एक ऐसा पूर्व केंद्रीय मंत्री है जिसको इस्तीफा देना पड़ा, तो केस वहां भी चल रहा है. और वी माइट से दैट ही हैज गॉट अ जॉब एंड एवरीथिंग, बट वेयर इज दैट रेस्पेक्ट? हमें तो पता ही नहीं था कि कुछ इस तरह का चल रहा है. हाँ, दबे छुपे बात होती थी. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट ओपनली. दैट इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट साइंस ऑफ चेंज. इट इज कमिंग इन देयर. मैं बार बार देखती हूँ कि अब कई ऐसे लोग हैं जैसे खुलकर वो बात करते हैं मीडिया में. कम से कम ये कई जगहों पर कल्चर है कि हम जेंडर रोल्स में बहुत ज्यादा बंधे नहीं होते, तो हम खुलकर बात करते हैं. तो कई बार लोगों के मुंह से ये निकल जाता है, अरे यार, दिस इज लाइक दिस, बट यू नो आई हैव टू कीप माय डिस्टेंस. गुड, यू आर कीपिंग योर डिस्टेंस जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर स्केयर्ड दैट समवन माइट जस्ट कम आउट एंड आपकी इज्जत के तार तार हो जाएंगे क्योंकि आपने बदतमीजी किसी के साथ की है या करना चाहते हैं या कुछ इस तरह का बोला है. So women are also now, I am seeing the youngsters who are coming in the industry, they are much more confident और उनको पता होता है कि how to handle themselves और कहाँ वो किसको रोक सकते हैं और किस तरह से रोक सकते हैं. I talked about
Very
social
well
media.
said. Very well
I
said.
see,
It is.
And Zara.
Zara, you are showing that maturity here. I've just been listening, trying not to talk because it's just such a delight to listen.
Wonderful discussion.
Yeah.
And it is happening. Even if you see in the communities, एक लड़की आपके घर में है, वो शादी होके आपके घर में जाती है, तो सबसे पहले जो है वो सास और नंद जो है वो शुरू हो जाती है. तो this is maybe I would say that it is in our DNA and हमें उसको
Yeah,
clean
it's
करना
been
पड़ेगा.
taught, right?
Because it is everywhere and it's coming from
Yeah.
home. So we have
It
to
is-
make a
So
change
it's the
from
culture and the
our home.
mentality. Yeah,
It's a
it's the
culture,
mentality
or
of
it
men
is
and
very,
women.
very interesting conversation, and I would love to continue, but we are near the
We have to be
Yeah.
mindful of
Yeah,
everyone's
let's ask-
time.
Let's ask Zara to sing just one line from her.
one more
Sing
line.
it,
Zara,
one
go
line.
ahead.
Absolutely.
Zara,
Oh
हम
God,
भी कहते हैं थोड़ा सा
अपनी
अच्छा सा
voice.
सुनिए.
मैं हरफन
चलो,
मौला
थोड़े
की एक
हल्के हो
लाइन
जाए.
गा देती हूँ. मैं हरफन मौला की एक लाइन गा देती हूँ.
Sure.
इरशाद.
है कोई परवाना यहाँ जो जान पे अपनी खेलेगा, आशिकी में होके फाना, बाहों में शमा को ले लेगा.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
So
You are truly gifted, Zara,
it is,
and
yes,
I wish you luck. You are so talented, mature, beautiful. You have that spark in you, and definitely wish you the best.
Thank you so much. And
Our new generation is more confident than us. हम तो डर जाते थे, but these girls are really make us proud. They know how to stand and firmly stand on the ground. So, which is a good thing, good sign.
no, it's all passed on. It comes from your generation and the generation before you. So I think jitna jisne saha hai as a woman, when they pass it on to the next generation of women, they come out stronger. So I'm praying and hoping that mere baad ki jo generation hogi, they know how to set things straight. Because as one of you said that today we're speaking about it, which is a great sign. And I hope, tomorrow we are able to actually do something about it.